I'm on camera. What do I do?
I literally got this coffee like 2 hours ago and I'm still drinking it. And it's cold and kind of gross, but I don't want to waste it. Hi everyone, it is currently Tuesday, it's about 3 o'clock and I feel like my vlogging over the past couple of weeks has not been good. So I'm hoping this is a bit of a fresh start, a bit of a clean slate. I am currently editing my last video and it's a messy one. It is not looking good. I feel like the past couple of weeks have just been a bit hectic and I had a lot of stuff going on. Do I need to pull the curtain down even more? Is that lighting better? I think so. I feel like when I don't feel organized, my head just gets really messy and then I like can't vlog and everything just turns out badly. And I think that is what has happened. But I feel like I've had a fairly productive day today, so I'm feeling a little bit better and I'm hoping that this will end my not creative and messy era that I have been going through the past couple of weeks. So I just filmed a TikTok and I've edited it and I'm about to upload it, and then I need to finish editing my last vlog if I can get it to be okay, because right now it is not okay. I don't really have much going on the next couple of days, so I'm hoping that I can take my time to feel nice and productive and get a bit more organised. And then this weekend I am going to see Kahan, which I'm very excited about. And then on Sunday it's the Super Bowl, and if you've watched my videos for a few years, we always have a Super Bowl party because Danny loves American football. So I'm really looking forward to that. I think it will be a fun weekend. So I will take you along with me. I kind of wanted to do a bit of a glow up. I was literally going to dye my hair just to like have something to film, but I mean it is going out a wee bit, but I don't really think it needs dyed yet. I kind of like the colour.
I don't know if you can double. Yeah, I think you can double. Yeah, it has notes of green now.
We just got back from having a little drink. We went to a place called Cuckoo, I think it was called. I've never been there before, but it was very nice. I liked it a lot, and we actually ended up buying this little bag of sweets because I should have taken a photo of it so that I would get it correct. I can't remember exactly what charity it was for, but there was a man who's raising money for charity. I think it said that his wife had MS, so I think it was a charity to do with that. So he was selling these little bags of sweets. So we picked one up. I made sure I got the one with the white mice in it because I love them. And then I also actually just got a Vinted package. I already opened it without you. I feel like I haven't done an unboxing in ages and I'm out of practice and I didn't even think. But I ordered this dress, this like faux leather dress for Valentine's Day. I am slightly worried that it's actually not gonna fit me, but it came today. So I'm gonna try it on and see what it looks like on. I hope it fits. Oh, what's this?
I don't know, just said
Oh, thanks.
Would you like me to decant it for you?
Danny just bought me this drink.
French 75, because have you told the vlog?
Oh yeah, Danny and I are going to Paris. We booked Paris. We basically had vouchers from was it 2020? When did COVID start? 2020? Right before the start of COVID, Danny and I booked flights to Nice. Then obviously COVID happened, it all got cancelled. But we got flight vouchers from EasyJet. They kept extending the vouchers because we just never used them, and then it was like the last day to use them was like the 31st of January, and we were like, right, we need to book something. So we're going to Paris at the end. Is it the start of March or the end of March? I don't even remember when it is. Very exciting.
I was in the hotel, though, but you never did.
Oh yeah, we're staying in a hotel because Airbnb was so expensive. It was crazy. Oh my gosh, it's so sweet. It's so nice though.
Oh no, is it too sweet?
No, it's like lemony.
Well, it's pink gin and lemon.
My vision for this dress was to buy red tights and do like a whole red look. But I don't know if it's gonna fit me, I'm not gonna lie. This is what the dress looks like. Super, super nice, and then you just...
Boom!
Doesn't zip. Very tragic because I like the shape of it, but yeah. doesn't zip, so I shall put that back on Vinted. I'm currently off to meet my friend for a coffee, and it is very, very chilly. After coffee we popped into Oliver Bonus and I bought Danny a little Valentine's Day card. They had some really nice ones, but I thought this one was very us. Hi Bonesy. That looks tasty, thank you. It has been a few days since I last filmed anything. I know I was saying that I was feeling better and that I was going to be nice and productive this week and all of that, but I then got sick again. So I basically spent most of the week just being unwell in bed, but I'm feeling a little bit better now. As you can tell from my voice, I still am not 100%, but I am feeling better, so I'm trying to push through. Today is Sunday and it's the Super Bowl tonight, so we have some people coming over this evening for a little Super Bowl party. So we have quite a busy day. We still need to go pick everything up and like clean the flat and stuff like that before everyone gets here. But I did film a little bit yesterday, but I wanted to explain a bit before I included those clips because I don't think I spoke in any of them. In the morning we just went for a little wander around the West End and popped into some shops, and then we watched the rugby at the pub, which was fun, and then I went to kahan in the evening, which was so good. It was such a good concert, so I will include the clips from yesterday now. The heart rate, what's yours? Only 80. I hope you enjoyed all of those. We had a really fun day yesterday, but I thought I could give you a little haul now because I've got a few things that I have bought recently. So the first thing I bought was a t-shirt at the concert last night. I wasn't gonna do it because they are quite expensive, like this cost me £35, but I do have a few t-shirts that I've bought at different concerts and I actually do wear them fairly regularly, and I love kahan, so I decided at the end that I would pick one up. So I bought this top. It's just got like this picture on the front and then some tour places on the back of it, and I really liked it. I thought the colour was quite nice, so I got this, and it was just such a good concert, and I knew that I would probably regret it if I didn't buy a t-shirt because I just can't help myself. And then yesterday when we went shopping, I did pick up a couple of things. I wasn't gonna buy anything, but in the last charity shop we went into, I found a couple of things. So I picked up a pair of shorts. I don't really wear shorts ever, like even really in the summer, but I just don't really have any nice shorts that I like. But I saw these and they're like this ribbed kind of material. I don't know if you can tell, and I thought that they would just be really good to like tuck on and stuff like that. And they had the tags on, so they're brand new, and they were £6. I haven't actually tried them on yet, but I just thought for summer that they could be really handy. Hello! Hi Bones! Look Bones! Oh! Hello! You're the cutest little one ever. He is not happy. Then from the same charity shop I found this little teacup and saucer, which I thought was really cute. You guys know that I love my antique crockery. So I thought I'd pick this up. It was only £2.50 and it's the Royal Albert bone china. So that sounds like it's probably a real antique to me. So I thought for £2.50, maybe I'll have a little cup of tea in this later. And then the last thing is something I ordered from Vinted that came yesterday. I only just opened it up, so I still need to try it on and give it a wash. But it is this Tommy Hilfiger jumper. I basically made a TikTok of finding different Valentine's Day themed clothes and like outfits and stuff like that on Vinted, and I found this and I was like, oh wait, I kind of want that. So this cost me £10. Obviously with Vinted though, it's kind of annoying because you think you're going to pay £10 and then they add like £4 on for shipping and fees and stuff like that. But I really liked it and I feel like I'll wear it, and it's got a big heart on it, so very fitting for Valentine's Day, which is in a few days. So that was my little haul. I'm trying not to buy much right now, so hopefully I won't be tempted to buy anything else, but I now need to go and help Danny clean and tidy the flat. Trying my macaron from yesterday because I completely forgot about it and I left it in the fridge. This is white chocolate and passion fruit. I always really want to like macarons because like I love France, I love Paris, I love Blue Waldorf. However, I just don't love them. But I'm trying to get into them. Let's put it out. Go and try.
The white chocolate and passion fruit.
The passion fruit's like in the middle.
Oh, that's hard.
Like tastes like a Salero.
Oh, also there's a house for sale.
Looks silly, doesn't
Yeah.
Had to get my head straight. Pacing in the backyard, staring at the cool water. Dancing with the light gray bottom of the pool.
I have just finished making some cookies. They did not turn out amazingly. I followed this recipe from this girl that I saw on TikTok, and her cookies look amazing. I don't know what I've done wrong, but they taste alright. They're not terrible. We are currently just watching Love Island, but this is the setup we've gone for. Looks kind of messy right now, but this was kind of the only way that we could get enough seats for everybody.
I rented a small TV.
How are you feeling?
Yeah.
I keep forgetting it's actually like a thing. I've got my top on, which is just Danny's top.
We reversed tops when Joanne went to see the Niners play in Santa Clara. You wore that one. No, you wore this one.
The Kaepernick one.
And then I wore that one.
Yep.
But apparently the fit on this one was just wrong for Juliet.
It made me look bad.
Yeah, we can't have that.
Bonzi, you
We've got a
excited?
cat jersey.
When the 49ers were in the Super Bowl last, which was how many years ago? There is a vlog of it if anyone wants to watch it, but I drew this sign. It looks absolutely awful, obviously, but I drew the sign and Danny kept it. And now we've put it up for this year. Maybe it'll go a bit better than it did last time.
When we looked at that, I'll keep this for next year.
4 years later.
I was optimistic.